what we will unbox today. So we are unboxing a tripod, and a ring light. And this is also a gift from my Halu, Aning, and also my great cousin Hunain. So thank you for giving this awesome gift. So now let's reveal what is inside. So first we open tripod stand. Okay, so I think this is the tripod. Wow. Keep it over here. Okay, let me open it. So the last one, and let's close them all up. Or we are closing them because of, like, if we don't close them, look, now it's not going, but this one will go. So that's it. And this is a tripod. Let's see if anything is more in it. Oh, and this thing is also in it. I think this is for the mobile, like this. Okay, so here is our tripod, and now it's time to reveal the ring light. Let's see what is in. Wow! So I think this is the ring light. There is a wire going, and this is hold the controlling. You can control it from here. I think it will fall down. So do I keep over here? Okay. Just keep it over here. Let's see what's more in it. There is a mobile stand, and over here I think it's just, we will see what's in. And this is for, I think, angles, to no angles. And this is a shopper. So let's keep them all over here. And now let's start to, like, we are connecting this ring light to this tripod, so we can do that, and I will show you how to do that. So let's move on. So our ring light stand is almost ready. Just the common thing we are seeing if this work or don't work. So we need a charger for it, and it has a plug connected to it. So I will connect this. Now let's see what happens. So guys, there is also a controller to control this, like, wow! Let's plus the light, and now it's more brighter. So it can also change color, like, wow! Now it's white. Guys, come over here. Why are you seeing this? So guys, let's now see the difference of ring light and the house light. So this is the house light, and we go in. Hello! So guys, tell me in the comment box, is this ring light affected or not? So guys, this was all about the video. So we make a ring light stand, and this is how you can make one, and I show you how to make one. So comment on this video, as I say, is this affected with the ring light or with not the ring light? Wait a minute. With not the ring light. Okay, so tell me if that is affected or not in the comment. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I love it.